Hi, my name is Nancy Berger. I'm with the University of Illinois Extension, and today we're going to make homemade zesty tortilla chips.
Ingredients: 6 6-inch corn tortillas, non-stick cooking spray, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash hands with soap and water. Cut each tortilla into 6 sections with a large knife or a pizza cutting utensil. Spray nonstick cooking spray onto a baking pan or cookie sheet. Spread out tortilla pieces. Spray tops with more nonstick cooking spray. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon chili powder on tortilla pieces. Bake for 6 to 7 minutes. Flip chips over. Spray with non-stick cooking spray. Sprinkle remaining salt, garlic powder, and chili powder onto chips. Bake for an additional 6 to 7 minutes until chips are light brown in color. Let chips cool before enjoying.
And here's our homemade zesty tortilla chips. They pair great with homemade salsa or homemade guacamole.
Eat, Move, Save.